when we talk of every individual paper in the actual exam, my strategy was a little different for every paper. So for example, for this essay, which is very important because you generally see a lot of marks variation in essay, and so there's a good scope that you can score really well on your essay if you write well. So here my strategy was, again, I ensured that I have done a proper analysis of the previous year essay questions and understand what are the kind of essays that you are being expected to answer. So once you do this, this material for an essay is not something that you read from a book. It is just your accumulated knowledge and your accumulated extra reading that you have done, probably some books or even some quotes or some poems. So my focus area here was that I have to have some interesting anecdotes with which I have to begin my essay. So there was a notebook in which I used to just jot down some anecdotes, and not too much again here, because too much of anything will just make it more messier rather than keeping it simple. So I used to ensure that I have some anecdotes, like 4-5, and 4-5 but versatile, such that I can use them in different scenarios and in different themes. And then I would have several quotes, for example about 15 to 20 quotes that were very important and that I can use in different essays and in different themes. Other than this, I would also have some short poems that I can use maybe in the conclusion of an essay. So a couple of poems that were close to my heart and with which I could connect. So these were the kind of poems that I had jotted down. And fourthly, even for the essay, I used to look at some model answers or model essays of previous year essay topics, and also the essays of toppers' answer copies. So both these were again one source for me to understand how an ideal answer should be, or how have the toppers written an essay, what is their style and what is the content that they have used, what are the examples they have used. So based on all this, but ensuring that I retain my natural way of writing an essay, I developed a strategy for essay, and I was prepared after writing say 4-5 essays. But again, this will vary from a person to person, because what works for me may not for you. I understood that for me, what is more important is that I have those short collection of various things I require in an essay. So I did not need to practice writing essays for multiple times. But for another person, it may have been the other way around, that the more they write, the more ideas that they may find themselves with. So this is something that you will have to work on yourself. After writing about 4-5 essays, you would have a fair idea as to how you fare in an essay and what further you need to prepare for that.